हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज हमारे साथ एक ऐसे सी हैं जो आपके बीच में से ही है। आज की हमारी गेस्ट ने हमारी ये सीरीज सीए की कहानी सीए की जुबानी देखी और वो अपनी स्टोरी शेयर करना चाहती थी। ये बताना चाहती थी कि कैसे सीए ने उन्हें वो कॉन्फिडेंस दिया और वो फ्रीडम दी जिससे वो अपनी डिसीजंस, अपनी प्रोफेशनल एंड पर्सनल लाइफ को दोनों को बैलेंस कर सके। सो आज हम मिलाते हैं आपको सीए शालिनी गुप्ता से। Welcome Shalini to the episode.
Thank you Ruchi.
Shalini is a CA of 2002 batch. She has had more than 20 years of an experience with multinational companies like Bank of America, American Express, Accenture and various others. और आज के दिन वो खुद अपनी एक CA प्रैक्टिस चला रही हैं। So जानते हैं उनकी इस जर्नी के बारे में। शालिनी, सबसे पहले हम आपको ये सुनना चाहेंगे कि आपने CA कैसे सोचा करने की।
So thanks Ruchi for giving me this opportunity. And to your question, I think I would say that's an interesting story to share. I didn't choose CA. CA chose me, and I'll explain how. So when I was doing my 12th, so there, my father suggested कि there is a teacher training course which is of 2 years. उसमें if you give a written exam, interview दीजिए, and उसके बाद 2 साल के कोर्स के बाद you get a guaranteed job in a government school to teach. That I gave the written exam, I cleared it. I gave the interview, I cleared it. My name was in the final list, and that's when it kind of struck me. I spoke to my father that, while I have cleared it, but this is not something that I want to pursue as my career in future. And to that came the $1 million question by him, if not this, then what? And I had heard in my school, my peer group, that some of my friends were doing CA. And I just randomly said, okay, I'll do CA. That's how, it just happened that I pursued this course.
So आपके पापा आपको एक गवर्नमेंट जॉब दिलाना चाह रहे थे और आप पहुंचे CA में, तो घर का एक्सेप्टेंस कैसा रहा?
So घर में again, initially, I had to convince him. My mother supported me a lot, and we both kind of managed to convince him. And once he was convinced that I can pursue CA, I think uske baad he had full support. He provided full support to me.
So Shalini, ये तो आपकी CA डिसाइड करने की थी, पर CA की जर्नी इटसेल्फ कैसे रही? आप फाउंडेशन रूट से हैं या आपने ग्रेजुएशन के बाद किया है?
So I pursued CA through the foundation course. So while I was doing my graduation in BCom Honors from Hindu College, I side by side enrolled in the CA foundation course. And I cleared it in the first attempt. Then after CA foundation, I appeared for the CA inter. That too, I gave group by group and I cleared in first attempt. And started my articleship during that way through. And by the time I kind of completed my graduation, I was pursuing articleship and appeared for the CA final exams post that.
So यानी कि CA की जर्नी तो ठीक ठाक रही, आपको बहुत ज्यादा स्ट्रगल नहीं हुआ CA में, धीरे पर आप एक एक ग्रुप में करके आप CA बन गए। So CA के बाद अगर मैं बोलूँ तो क्या आपने इमीडिएटली जॉब ज्वाइन करी या तब आपने CA प्रैक्टिस के बारे में नहीं सोचा?
उस टाइम पर I would say practice was not something that kind of clicked me. It was more of doing a corporate job or being in a big four, starting my career in a big four firm. However, again it's a little bit of a long story. When I cleared CA, at that point in time, I'm talking about 25 years back, I used to take printout of my CV. And I used to go to CP, we used to have this Gopal Das building. I've gone on each and every floor in each and every office and handed over my CV to each and every organization. And, in the process of doing that, I landed up in a mediocre CA firm where I actually started my post-qualification CA journey. Having worked there, in the audit stream for about a year, side by side, I was approaching Big Fours as well. And that's how, it happened that, Price Waterhouse, it called me for an interview. And that's how my journey of Big Four started. I was there in the statutory audit domain, and worked there for about a year, during which this shared services industry was booming a lot. And that's how it again clicked me. Maybe audit is something that's not my cup of tea for a long run, and maybe shared services domain is something that I would like to explore more in. And that's how I kind of moved from Pricewaterhouse to Genpact.
Okay. So मतलब कहीं ना कहीं you started with a practicing thing, but not really your own practice, but you started with a Big Four and then moved on to the corporate.
Absolutely.
Okay. So Shalini, that was how you got into the thing. But एक फीमेल के साथ स्पेशली अगर मैं बात करूं, तो जब हम कॉर्पोरेट करियर में जाते हैं तो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज भी आती हैं, एंड आई एम श्योर साइड बाय साइड अपनी पर्सनल लाइफ में भी आप ग्रो करते हैं. आई एम श्योर यू गॉट मैरिड. सो हाउ वाज दैट बैलेंसिंग बिटवीन योर पर्सनल लाइफ एंड योर प्रोफेशनल लाइफ? डिड द कॉर्पोरेट जर्नी हेल्प यू समवेयर?
To this, I would actually say CA is a degree that gives you confidence, not only confidence, but also some flexibility, some freedom to take charge of your career. And that's where, when I got married, my husband, he was changing jobs, he was exploring different opportunities. I had to relocate, to different cities. That's where it kind of happened that because I had the CA degree, thanks to the CA Institute for this course, I was able to take a decision to move on to different organizations, or to move on to a different space in my life as per the circumstances.
You started your career in Delhi NCR, but you've gone to Bangalore, you've gone to Mumbai and then back again. तो वो जर्नी जो आपने ली, तो क्या जॉब्स आपको आराम से मिल गई या आपको ट्रांसफर्स मिले? कैसा रहा वो, मतलब जॉब ढूंढने का वो स्ट्रगल?
So around 25 years back, taking a career break was seen as a taboo, and some of them used to call it a career suicide. And that's what happened, that when I had to kind of take a career break due to my personal priorities, due to family priorities. Some of them supported my decision, whereas some of them said this is not the right choice that you are making. As it is, females don't get too many jobs, and if you take a career break, you are not going to get back into your career journey again. But I still took that brunt of taking a career break, and I would say after about so I took 2 to 3 career breaks. In my first career break, I managed to, after 1.5 years, to be in the same organization or to be on the same career track as I would have had I not taken the career break. So yes, a little bit of, I would say, difficult, but as I mentioned, right, CA gives you that freedom to choose what you want to do in life. I think that's something that helped me and kept me going.
So शालिनी, आपने करियर ब्रेक लिया क्यों? So हम करियर ब्रेक की भी तो बात कर रहे हैं, बट करियर ब्रेक लेने की जरूरत क्या पड़ी, अगर हम अपने व्यूअर्स को बताना चाहें?
So actually I was into motherhood, and given the nuclear family scenario, I did not have a robust support system, and that's where I wanted at that point in time to give more priority to my personal life, to my family life, and that's why I had to take that career break.
So Shalini, your corporate experience, because you started as a young CA and you moved on as your last role as a vice president, and you've seen a lot of corporate years within the organizations, various organizations. So how has that journey been? Did you really find that challenging being a woman there, or how did that help you?
So definitely there were challenges. It becomes difficult to balance your personal life as well as your professional life. But I would say that the organizations that I worked through, they kind of supported and understood and helped me sail through this journey easily.
Shalini, that was really nice and quite engaging to know that how you balanced your professional and personal life, not only with the career breaks that you took, But I think in today's world, a lot of women CAs actually take a setback, and they're really not able to decide how do they balance their professional career with their personal lives. They take sabbaticals, or they just leave their jobs or professional careers and just sit back. So what is your message to those budding chartered accountants, or maybe the young women CAs who are actually not pursuing their careers as they should be? Anything that you'd like to kind of share with our viewers and the young people out there?
See, I would say that CA is not just an exam. It's a way of life. It teaches you, a thinking way of life. It kind of builds your character. And why I say this is that while you are doing CA, while you are pursuing CA, that level of grit, perseverance, persistence, that's something, that you learn over a period of time. Your patience, your discipline, how to kind of navigate your way into sometimes an uncertain phase of life. So always, just kind of stay focused and don't self-doubt yourself. First is this. The second is that while, we are going through it, we are building on technical competence. Technical coverage is there in the course. Do also ensure to hone your skills in communication as well as technology. Nowadays we all are talking about AI, how technology is progressing. So just ensure that you also are learning something, or at least are curious to know how AI is shaping up CA as a stream. And third is always take care of your mental health, because this is something that's not going to be taught in any stream or in any foundation or inter or final course, but that's something that is going to help you sail through the entire CA journey. So just keep up that confidence, ensure that you are technically resilient, and focus on your mental health. That's something that I would like to pass on the message to all those people who are pursuing CA.
Thanks, Shalini, and I think you've really notched it, because as we say, AI is changing the world. AI is changing the way CAs are doing their audits, the way everything is changing. But that doesn't mean that we go redundant, right? We will be relevant because of the caliber, because of the strengths that we have, and we are beyond this. Yes. And as you said, for a woman, this course is not only about the confidence, but also the freedom that it gives, right? So I think as chartered accountants, and I think two chartered accountants, female chartered accountants here on this episode today, I think we'll definitely like to share this with all our viewers, that it's a course that it gives us the liberty, the flexibility, and also the kind of contribution we bring to the society is much beyond. CAs definitely are the nation builders, as Modi ji himself has said that. So I think this brings us to an end of a very interesting conversation with Shalini. So thanks, Shalini, for being here and taking the time out to share your story. And it is really nice to know your journey and how career breaks did not really stop you, but kind of kept you going forward. So stay connected with Radio Dwarka and keep watching our series. And if you also want to kind of share your story, please do connect with us either on LinkedIn or drop in a comment and we will connect with you. So thank you and stay connected.